How to fix if the alarm in your Android phone has suddenly stopped ringing. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Alarm and click on the alarm that's active. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find Alarm Ringtone. As you can see, it's in None, which means there will not be any sound when alarm is active. So simply click on any sound you want and also make sure vibrate is turned on. After that, simply click on set alarm and then alarm sound will not be silent. And that's how to fix if the alarm in your Android phone has suddenly stopped ringing when it's on silent mode. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.